Hey, so what are you doing today?
We're gonna put this queen in the hive to spit out a queen.
So you're putting a queen in a hive?
Yes.
Why are you doing that?
So we don't lose the hive.
Oh, you're trying to keep a hive?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't see any eggs, but the weird thing is there's not a queen cell. They never built a queen cell to make a queen. Oh, Mom! Hi, Mom! Hi, Mom! It's Mom! We gotta put her.
So what are you doing here?
We're gonna put the queen in. We're gonna put her face down so they can give her food. And we're gonna leave the entrance open and unblocked so that they can dig her out. Please move. Oh, stop that. I know you're excited, but please move.
Look at this.
They can smell the queen on me.
Like, where is she? Where's she at?
Well, I mean, they're all excited about her, so.
There you go. Saving a hive. Oh, here it is. In her cover.